Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I will show you how to use Snapchat on laptop without downloading. Now this is also on your computer as well. Now as you know, you can't really use Snapchat currently without actually downloading something like Android emulator or something like that, right? BlueStacks or apps like that, right? So right now Snapchat actually started, what they started doing is they started offering Snapchat desktop app to its users. Now, as you can see, Snapchat is now on the web. You can chat, you can snap and video call your friends from wherever you are, right? So what's really so cool about this feature is, of course, the feature is not free, right? But what you can do is you can pay $4 per month. I mean, anyone can pay $4 per month to access this feature, right? So you can click here, log into chat, right? And obviously once you log into chat here, you will be able to log in on to the Snapchat application. Now, as you can see, you obviously you need to continue, and then you will need to pay $4 in order to access this and in order to use Snapchat on laptop without download. Now keep in mind, this is the only way how you can use Snapchat on your laptop without actually downloading anything, right? So again, you will have to use Snapchat for web, right? You will have to use Snapchat Plus, right? Once you log in here, you will be able to use Snapchat Plus. So once you log in here, you will be able to confirm it on your mobile phone, and then you will be able to use it on your browser. Now keep in mind, you need Snapchat Plus for this, so you will need to pay those $4 per month. Now you can pay 1 month just to see how it is, and then that's how to use Snapchat on laptop without download. Now I hope you enjoyed this video. I know this is maybe not the answer you were looking for, but this is the easiest way how to use Snapchat on laptop without downloading. You will have to pay to Snapchat those $4. Now I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Either way, thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next video.